One human brain generates more electrical impulses for one day than all the phones in the world combined. The world's smallest cat is called Tinker Toy and he's just 2.75 inches tall. The lazy glasses allow one to read in bed or watch TV while one is lying flat on the back.
Everything changes.
If you brush your teeth by using the wrong hand, then you force your brain to work differently and your self-control level will increase. The handwriting of Prakriti Malla, the class 4 student from Nepal, has been recognized as the best ever handwriting in the world. Your pillow absorbs everything, and when you sleep on your stomach, your face is closely pressed to all the materials on your pillow, which in turn causes acne breakouts and clogs. According to the survey and reports, Indian TV is one of the most depressing TV in the world. 80% of the Indian college students do not watch TV, and when asked they said most of TV is illogical and disgusting. It is also said watching these shows can damage your thinking ability. The shows are just making you idiot. 84-year-old refused $1 million offer, forced shopping mall to build around her house instead. In 2018, Domino's Pizza offered essentially free pizza for life in exchange for individuals getting a Domino's tattoo and sharing it on social media. During the Twitter era, people would rarely take baths because they thought they would catch the plague through their pores. These coins were in soldiers' pockets during World War I. The coins managed to save the soldiers from a bullet. This man is Fujiko Fujio, a Japanese cartoonist who created Doraemon, Ninja Hattori, Kurosuke, Kiteretsu, Superman, and Miss Dracula. He has spent 40 years of his career as a cartoonist. The gaming industry has earned more than the movie and music industries combined every year for the past 8 years. Italy's High Court has ruled that stealing small amount of food to stave off hunger is not a crime. Dogs cannot feel guilt. They can only feel sad because their owner is yelling at them. Each of these bells cost as much as an iPhone. There is a book named as Everything Men Know About Women by Dr. Alan Francis, published in 1989. It has 128 pages, all of which are blank. The inventor of fidget spinner surrendered the patent in 2005 because he could not afford the $400 fee to renew patent. In the 1920s, there were beach police that went around measuring women's swimsuit lengths to ensure that no one was wearing a swimsuit with a questionable length. A Bugatti hypercar's oil change cost as much as buying another car. Oil change cost is approximately Rs 14 to 18 lakhs. Elephants drink the equivalent of 800 glasses of water a day. While you sleep, you can't smell anything, even really bad or potent smells. India is the world's second largest English-speaking country. Shakespeare once said, I cried when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without legs. Designer creates wearable third eye to help you walk safely while you use your smartphone. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.